Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Northport Batangper ang TNT Tropang Giga 195. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Joshua Monson sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 4 steals. Nag-ambag naman si Kadim Jack ng 27 points, 11 rebounds at 3 blocks. Tolentino 17 points, 11 rebounds, 6 assists, 3 steals at 3 blocks. Navarro 12 points, 9 rebounds, 4 steals at 2 blocks. Evan Nel 8 points, 8 rebounds, 5 assists at 2 steals. Nagtala naman ng 6 points si Franyo, Onwebere 4 points, Contapay 3 points, Bolanade 3 points. Para naman sa natalong TNT Tropang Giga, Calvin Oftana 20 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists. Hollis Jefferson 19 points, 14 rebounds, 7 assists, 3 steals at 3 blocks. Roger Pogoy 17 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 3 steals. Nag-ambag din si Cobontin ng 14 points, Galinato 10 points, Nambatak 9 points, Aurin 4 points, Razon 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Inlex Road Warriors kontra sa San Miguel Bearmen 104-99. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Robert Bolek sa likod ng kanyang 39 points at 9 assists. Nag-ambag si Mike Watkins ng 17 points, 28 rebounds at 4 blocks. Semirad 12 points, Torres 11 points, Enoch Valdez 10 points, Roger 8 points, Kevin Alas 4 points, 3 assists at 2 rebounds. Herndon 3 points. Para naman sa natalong San Miguel Bearmen, Quincy Miller 21 points, Fajardo 20 points, 19 rebounds, Perez 14 points, Chongson 11 points, Tautoa 11 points. Nagtala naman ng 10 points si Trulliano, Lassiter 6 points, Brondial 2 points, Kahilig 2 points, Rosales 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 8, 2024. Northport Batangper 4 wins 0 loss. Meralco Bolts 3 wins 0 loss. Eastern Hong Kong 3 wins 1 loss. Inlex Road Warriors 3 wins 1 loss. Converse Fiber Xers 2 wins 1 loss. San Miguel Bearmen 1 win 1 loss. Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters 1 win 1 loss. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win 2 losses. TNT Tropang Giga 0 win 2 losses. Blackwater Bossing 0 win 2 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 0 win 3 losses. Tira Firma Jeep 0 win 4 losses. Barangay Hinebra 0 win 0 loss. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 10, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilOL Ecowell Center. Sa first game, magharap ang Blackwater Bossing at Eastern Hong Kong alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ang San Miguel Bearmen at Rain or Shine Elasto Pinters alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.